Today in crypto. Millennial millionaires are the subset of millionaires most bullish on crypto, a new CNBC survey has found. Millennials hold more of their wealth in cryptocurrencies compared to any other millionaire class and have said they plan to add more to their crypto investments next year. This indicates a move from more traditional forms of investments towards digital assets as the major investment vehicle. The CNBC survey found that millennial millionaires were more likely to put more of their wealth in crypto. In fact, about 53% of all millennial millionaires currently hold about 50% of their wealth in cryptocurrencies. These investors were those who had at least $1 million or more of investable assets, with the exception of primary residences. Of all millennial millionaires, 83% said that they actually held crypto. Related reading: Investors take refuge in Bitcoin as inflation rises. Findings from the survey also showed that a significant portion of these investors made their wealth from investing in cryptocurrencies, and these investors were planning to put more money into crypto in 2022. 48% of the polled respondents said that they planned to increase their crypto holdings in the next year, while 39% said they planned to maintain their current holdings. About a third of the total polled investors admitted to having at least 75% of their entire wealth in either Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. These investors remain unfazed by the market downtrend. Instead of turning to avenues baby boomers would use for investments, cryptocurrencies are the go-to for millennial millionaire investors. This shift towards crypto is even more evident in the Gen Z generation, who are graduating into an economy where crypto investments are the first point of contact as a new investor. One of the discouraging factors for most when it comes to crypto investments has been the volatility that is associated with these digital assets. Major price swings either up or down have largely characterized the space since its inception, but millennial and Gen Z investors do not seem to mind the fluctuating prices. George Walper, president of Spectrum Group, which carried out the survey in conjunction with CNBC, noted that crypto investments by the younger generation have demonstrated a big difference between different generations of wealth. In the survey, only 6% of millennial millionaires polled had said they were planning to reduce their crypto holdings. Related reading: New Robinhood feature allows users to gift crypto to family and friends. In contrast to this, only 4% of baby boomers are said to hold cryptocurrencies, with more than 75% of Gen X investors not owning any crypto at all. The difference here is stark and will affect the way wealth managers cater to their clients going forward, the report noted. As for the volatility, millennial millionaires do not mind it at all given the returns that they have gotten from. They seem to be comfortable with the volatility, Walper stated. On Thursday, Consensus, a prominent developer of Ethereum, ETH, software, announced the launch of enterprise software Consensus Rollups. The service, designed on the basis of zero-knowledge (ZK) proofs, is meant to protect specific transaction elements, such as account balances, sender and recipient wallet addresses, and transaction amounts, to secure each user's privacy. Zero-knowledge proofs enable the validation of sensitive encrypted information, such as personal data, by nodes without revealing the data underneath. Such cryptographic techniques have gained enormous popularity in recent years, as users fear their crypto transactions are at risk of being tracked by blockchain forensic firms such as Chainalysis. The nature of public ledger blockchains has made all transactions available for anyone to view since their inception, making their underlying tokens less private than physical cash transactions in certain ways. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. On Thursday, BitDAO, one of the world's largest decentralized autonomous organizations with over $2.5 billion assets under management, and its partner Morana Ventures, announced the creation of EduDAO with 8 of the world's top universities, including the University of California, Berkeley, MIT, Harvard and Oxford University. EduDAO is financed by the BitDAO Treasury and will allocate $11 million each year to funding project grants, research and standalone product development, with $33 million in initial capital. The funds will go to academic research for next-generation blockchain and Web 3.0 technologies. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. About the Newton project has a precise goal in mind: to create a new kind of community economy that involves the interaction of humans and smart technologies. It is aiming to build an infrastructure that could improve the enterprise economy by offering a different method of governance, collaboration, and incentive services. The founders expect the Newton project to benefit all contributing parties. Named after the legendary scientist and founder of the gold standard system, Isaac Newton, the Newton project was launched by the Singapore-registered Newton Foundation in early 2019. The Newton project comes with its native token, NU. State of the project: Newton has a full-stack technology architecture. 1. An underlying public chain, NU chain. 2. A distributed storage service, NuNet and NuIant. 3. The protocol layer, the hyper-exchange protocol. And 4. The application layer. Newton's first decentralized app, NuMall, is the first global blockchain-based e-commerce platform that enables peer-to-peer buying and selling transactions. The Newton project uses a proof of authority, POA, consensus mechanism, which requires a limited number of validators, and thus needs a low volume of electricity in order to provide computational power to the network. The new token is used for payment transactions and smart contract executions. The token operates on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC. The white paper comes in 19 languages. The white paper comes as PDF file, which is automatically downloaded to your computer whenever you click to open it. 2018 was the last time the Newton project's white paper was updated. It contains a lack of data on the project's tokenomics. Fundraising raised almost $23 million during a private pre-sale in 2018. Selling for $0.0038311 per new token. Around 1.5 B new tokens were reserved for presale. Not all sold. The presale sold around 6.07% of NU's total supply. The public sale started in 2019, raising nearly $4 million at $0.002 per new token. The development stage launched its mainnet in December 2018. Performs over 5,000 transactions per second. Scalable for various business use cases such as agriculture, supply chain, payments, public welfare, gaming. The project says it has established community groups covering 89 countries. Walker Mall joined the Newton ecosystem in 2019. Launched new chain mainnet ledger node mining and new swap nodes new liquidity mining in 2021. New chain consensus mechanism has been researched and upgraded in 2021. Most accomplishments are seemingly marketing related, online market events, hosting seminars, providing tutorials. Roadmap. No officially provided roadmap. Team founder Zhujiz has a bachelor degree in engineering, worked as a system engineer, a senior technology manager, and later as a technology director of various online media and business companies. Team members have not been revealed on official Newton project channels. There is no verified data on who they are, what their experience is, or even how many of them are working on the Newton project. Partnerships and investments. 2 investors from China, JLab, the crypto and blockchain arm of JD, Nasdaq JD Capital, which has over $9 billion worth of assets under its management, and the Sailor Capital Token Fund, which has a focus on blockchain project investments. Community, social media accounts, Twitter, NYSE, TWTR, 7K, Telegram, 3,5K, Weibo, Nasdaq WB, 2,4K, Reddit, 0. Has low social media engagement, irregular posts, and a lack of valuable discussions. Its website blog has year-long periods of inactivity. Currently 72 Newton human community nodes are operating. Key metrics: max supply, 100 billion circulating supply, 20.5 billion market cap, $5.4 million all-time high, ATH, $0.0164729 April 2019, all-time low, ATL, $0.0021653, December 2021, volume, below $1 million. Exchange listings, listed on 11 exchanges. Find the full list here, including Huobi Global and Binance X. Main trading pairs are BTC, USDT. Wallets, Binance Chain Wallet Token Allocation, 10% of the token supply is allocated to the founding team. Unlocks 1/24 the total supply every year to incentivize them. 15% of tokens go to the foundation's initial operations. A further 15% is dedicated to the foundation's later operations, with 1/5 of the total supply released immediately, and 1/36 released each month. 60% of new tokens are used as incentives for the community. Provides contradicting data on timeframes and when tokens will be unlocked for the community. Data varies from 15 to 50 years after the project's start. No data on holder statistics. Verdict: not a new project in the cryptocurrency space, but also does not appear very active or lively judging by its metrics. Lots of important data points are missing. We don't know who's in the team. The Newton project does not provide its future roadmap, and development announcements are rare and irregular. There are huge gaps between official communications. The project's communities are small and also do not seem active. Its low market cap token sits at record lows at the time of writing, but the extremely low volume and trading activity do not seem to be helping to ignite any future spurts. The project is not very popular among traders, with its trading volume in the 2021 price peak of new only spiking to $7 million. Although the Newton project claims to have community groups covering 89 countries, it seems they are mostly focused on the Asian markets. Email newsletter: join to get the flip side of crypto. Upgrade your inbox and get our daily coin editors picks 1x a week delivered straight to your inbox. Contact Form 7. You can always unsubscribe with just one click. Continue reading on Daily Coin. Bitcoin, BTC. Bulls took another beating on December 17 as a midday onslaught dropped the price to $45,500. The price did manage a quick bounce back to $47,000, but sweeping a new daily low could be a sign that additional downside is in store. Amid the wider market downturn, several altcoins provided weary traders with a source of refuge as token buybacks and increased network activity helped bolster their prices and provide shelter from the storm. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.